Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of Coghlan's Rain Poncho for Kids. Make sure to watch till the end of the video to know our final verdict if this rain poncho was worth it. Coghlan's Rain Poncho for Kids Overview. The Coghlan's Rain Poncho for Kids features a lightweight, weatherproof design that is easy to pack and carry without taking up space. Made from 100% polyethylene, it's ideal for light to moderate rain and comes attached with a hood to ensure your kids stay dry and well protected during the rainy season. The poncho is reusable, allowing it to be used repeatedly as your child grows, and is designed to fit kids aged between 6 and 12 years. It is perfect for outdoor adventures and can also serve as a makeshift tarp for picnics and shading, making it an ideal and practical choice. What we liked: it is waterproof, excellent fitting, affordable price. What we didn't like: it is thin and therefore not suitable for heavy rain. Features: compact and portable. The Coghlan's Rain Poncho for Kids is designed to be very light and convenient to carry around. It easily fits into a backpack, glove box, or pocket, making it reliable during any surprise rain showers or as an extra layer of warmth during camping. Kid-sized design. The Coghlan's Rain Poncho for Kids is tailored to fit most young children, providing full body coverage while remaining light and airy. Additionally, it's a one-size-fits-all, meaning your kids can easily wear it over their backpacks, keeping them dry and comfortable as they go about their outdoor adventures. Immediate protection. Your kids are assured of instant coverage against unexpected drizzles or rain, providing quick and straightforward rain protection. Whether hiking or walking to school, the Coghlan's Rain Poncho keeps them dry and covered. Who is the Coghlan's Rain Poncho best suited for? The Coghlan's Rain Poncho for Kids is best suited for parents seeking budget-friendly, lightweight rain protection outerwear for children aged between 6 and 12 years. Verdict: should you get the Coghlan's Rain Poncho for Kids? If you are seeking a heavy-duty poncho that can be used in heavy rain conditions, this one is not for you. However, the Coghlan's Rain Poncho for Kids is an excellent choice for quick protection against mild to moderate showers. On top of that, it is also affordable and super lightweight, meaning your kids can easily carry it around without you having to worry about sudden downpours catching them off guard. Thus, you should buy the Coghlan's Rain Poncho for Kids for its budget-friendly price and reliability. Thanks for watching.